Hi, I'm Dr. Eric, and I wanted to show how I like to print a model in Exocad that's easily 3D printable. So what I like to do is click on Design Model when I'm finished my design, click Next. I personally think the easiest way is to go with a plateless model. I like extra dies. It's going to be the easiest to print and the most accurate. Now we have the capability to change the height of our bases if we want to reduce or increase the amount of resin that we use. We'll click Next. Now it's going to tell us which ones we want detachable. In this case, they're not detachables, but we do know these are the ones we want to cut out. So we're going to leave them as is. Click Next. Now this you just change because if you can imagine, it's going to virtually ditch it. And if you ditch it this way, it's going to try to put the bottom of the die pin down there. So we're just going to kind of look from the top, click Set from View. All of these parameters don't really matter because we're not actually printing extra dies like that window just showed. It's just going to cut them out. What I do like to do is go into the settings and unclick hollow model. I find it's a lot better when we print them solid. And we're going to go ahead and at this point we'll hit run. And you can see it ditched around, gives us a nice ditch from the top. It's nice and solid. So it's going to print this where we can try our models on and check the contacts. Then it'll print us 3 extra dies as well to check the margin of each prep. So we'll click Next. And now it's going to give us the same thing for the bottom. The only thing, again, I'm going to change is I'm going to unhollow the model. Click Run. And that's pretty much it if we want to print them, with the exception of adding support pins. Support pin improved tends to give me the best accuracy that I've found. So you're going to click 3 spots, hit Next. I'm done, and click Next, and it will save the file. And then you'll look in your directory, go in Exocad and see Show in Folder, and print right from there. We're good to go. And you can see if I go right here and hit Open in Explorer, here's going to be all the model dies that we created that we can now drag and drop into our printing software and print away. Thanks a lot and enjoy.